I legit have a problem because why is this not my first time doing makeup on the plane? And obviously for good reason, sort of. I have a welcome party as soon as I arrive in Mexico. The party starts pretty much when we land. The thing is, I have to go through customs, get my bags. I also have to drive 40 minutes because the resort is 40 minutes away from the airport. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to make it at this point, to be honest, but I'm doing my best to be prepped. So if we do make it, I'm ready to go. With that being said, why did I not do my makeup prior? Well, first of all, I'm going to get to sleep in, which I did on the plane. It's a 4.5 hour flight. I slept 3 of those. Because your girl didn't really sleep the night before. I slept about 2 hours because I had to get up and pack at 4 a.m. since I am a last minute packer. Is that I pack last minute. Mind you, it's like 4:30 a.m. right now. Tried to fish in the carry-on. And so yeah, moving into the big boy. Should have started here. And on top of that, our flight got delayed almost an hour. So every fucking piece of hope we had is now out the window. I'm just kidding. I still had hope because I believe in the higher being. And I think there's a will, there's a way. Okay? But I'm also like, okay, if I don't make it, because that can be a reality, you know? That is one of the options. So I just got to be at peace with it, you know? Top of that, I'm in the motherfucking middle seat doing my makeup. So I'm very uncomfortable right now when I have to do the setting spray because I'm going to get on these bitches. I don't know how not to. I'm doing my best. But fuck, why am I in the middle seat? Like, well, I know why. I didn't pick a seat ahead of time or pay for a seat and I'm screwing myself. Okay? You got to deal with it. Actually, they got to deal with it. It sucks for them. No, it's like for me too. Sucked for me when I was trying to sleep, which I did still, because I was just that tired and I had a neck pillow. But it was so hard for me not to lean over. Like, I gotta do better. I got to select a seat ahead of time. I gotta do early check-in. Oh, you thought we were done? I gotta put on my nails too. Come on now. I wouldn't be me if I wasn't putting press-ons on the go. This is what I meant by me laying on the move. Literally, why am I even recording this on the go? Yo, they had us jump off the plane, deboard, right into the runway track, which I'm not gonna lie, I enjoyed. I damn near wanted to kiss the ground because I hadn't seen and experienced beautiful, hot, sunny weather in so long. So that's me getting on the trolley. So the trolley took us to customs, which I just sped through because I ran for my life. Then I got to baggage claim, which was insane. Oh, look, I didn't know I was recording. It was so backed up. It took forever to get our bags and to go through the line, so I didn't get it. So by the time we actually got our bags, we realized we're not gonna make it to the welcome party. So our Uber, we're like, fuck it, let's just get a drink while we wait. Make the best of it, right? Enjoy. Bad idea, because the Uber was located at a bridge across the airport, about a 7-minute walk, which sounds easy and all until you realize majority of it is a hill and we don't have hands for these bags and beer now. We're so lucky this guy ended up helping us, but it was still very strenuous. It was so hot. It was a workout. Get to the welcome party, but we made it to the sunset, the resort, and saw my cousins, the bride. Even had dinner with them. It worked out sort of, because at the end of the day, we still all got to spend time together, and it was a great first night. So many stories, so many shots, so many laughs. Haven't seen them in so long. Well, although my life is a little chaotic, things do work out, and I think it's more of my perception of what they are. Because, yeah, you could have been stressed and frustrated and all that stuff. But at the end of the day, the whole point is to spend time with family and experience this beautiful place. And I'm just so fucking happy it's warm. I have been in New York and it's cold as fuck. Snowstorms left and right to be grateful for. Though we did get stuck because the cartel shut shit down. But you know what? That's a story for another day. Let's close out with some words of wisdom from my cousin since he is older.
On a serious note, I'm gonna tell you guys this. Learn from me, okay? Life is very short. So I want you guys to enjoy every moment that you guys get like this, you know? Because those you cannot replace, right? So when I see you guys having a good time like this, I want to let you guys know that. Make sure you take it all in, because life is like a journey, you know? There's always an end, you know? So I appreciate you guys.
Makes you happy. I think that's a
tequila is hidden. I think